Good evening on the 13th of September at about 7:20 in the evening on Sunday. The current conditions on the River Moy are dry, but the river is reasonably high. We'll show you here. Over here, the wind is strong. It was a fairly good day today as far as not having too much rain. Those rocky shoals, which are normally revealed in lower water, are still just about covered with the river, but it is dropping a little bit, as you would expect. We have had a lot of water in the system, just a huge amount of it. So we'll just show you over here. It's the trees across the river and the fish pass here. And the weather looks like it could be good for the coming week. We're forecast to have nice weather, at least a few days of it. So fingers crossed on that. Thanks for joining us, and thank you for subscribing. You take care of yourselves.